In this video, I'm going to share with you a strategy that you can use in order to increase your credit score by 150 points within 30 days. Now, by taking these 4 steps, you can use this to increase your credit score if you need to get a car financed in a month or get that apartment, or even if you're going for a mortgage, anything that you need to increase your credit score for really fast. Now, as a prerequisite, what you want to make sure in order for this to work for you, all your open lines of credit or car, anything that you currently have active is paid up to date. This will not work if you have your credit cards behind currently or your car note, because that is a late payment hitting you every month. So even if you see progress, the next month is going to come back down, because anytime a new negative item hit you, it holds your credit score down at least for a good 60 days. So make sure you catch up with your current obligations and then take these steps. Additionally, if you know you have a charge off or a collection, look at your credit score and make sure it is not reporting late every month. They're doing this lately to hold your credit score down. If you see a CO or a C being reported on your charge off or a collection, it's like you're being late every month. Now, this is a violation of the FCRA with collections to report like this, because it's a collection. It doesn't have a payment due every month. So you want to dispute that to stop that from happening. With my elite credit system, my user Greg was able to remove a collection in 12 days. So if you need my help with a one-on-one consultation or with my AI software and my credit coaching, that link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But if you look at that charge off or that collection and it is not reporting like that, you're okay. You will not need to dispute it as long as it's not reporting negatively every month. You can just follow steps and you can see your score increase. Now, step number 1, you want to look at your credit card utilization. That is the quickest way to increase your credit score. So with utilization, it is 30% of your credit score. It is the second largest factor. It's only 5% different from the biggest, largest factor, which is payment history, which is 35%. So you want to look at your credit cards and make sure none of them are in that maxed out stage. So if it's maxed out, you want to pay your card down, at least down to about 70 or 80%. Anything in that 90% range and over, you're going to start to see your credit score creep down heavily when you're close to being maxed out. So you want to make sure any maxed out cards, you want to bring them down as far as possible, because by doing that, if you can bring down that credit card that is maxed out, that alone, you can see that 150 points. I see a lot of times people have very small credit cards, lines like $300 credit card lines, $500 credit card lines, and they by accident can max out that card really easily because it's a smaller line of credit. So make sure you check for that so you can see your score increase. Step number 2, if you are a person that has some late payments on your credit, what you can do to help your credit score and that late payment history is adding on an aged trade line. Now, one of those that you can use is rent reporters, especially like Rental Karma. Now, with Rental Karma, the great thing about them, they can go back ever since you lived in your current unit. Even if it's 30 years, you can get that age trade line. So all that good payment history added on to your actual credit report. And you can continue to report that on-time good payment history with your rent, even if it's with a private landlord. And this is how Rental Karma works. So Karma, they can report your past rental reporting history to your credit reports, and you can go from having no credit score to a 650 plus, and you get your results in 3 days, no credit history, and you can cancel at any time with a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, adding that on would offset some of that bad payment history you have And payment history is 35% of your credit score. And you can see your credit score increase quickly, even as in little as 3 days, as they can report that account. And that can help increase your credit score. Step number 3, if you're a person who actually have lost all your credit card lines because you went through a trouble period causing you to have trouble credit. Many a times people actual credit card lines get closed down. So if that is your case, what you can do is add on a trade line with no hard inquiry where you're guaranteed to get approved. And that can increase your credit score because it helps your utilization. Utilization is 30% of your credit score, and you can use trade lines like Meet Ava, and it reports in 7 days. And here's how it works. Here's how it works. No credit check, no interest, and no late fees. Origination fees in some states. You would sign up and link your bank account where your paycheck is typically deposited. Secondly, use your Ava credit, build your MasterCard to pay your everyday bills and build your credit profile effortlessly. Now, Ava offers 2 credit building products. Now, the one I suggest that you go with is the line of credit, but if you choose the loan, it's number 3. You will make payments to your Ava Save and Build credit loan and get all your money back after 12 months. Number 4, you will watch your credit history take off while Ava reports to all 3 credit bureaus within 24 hours every time you make a payment. Now, I suggest Ava Credit Builder Card, and this is how it works. The Ava Credit Builder Card works like any other credit card, but it has a feature meant to help you spend responsibly and add credit history. With a credit limit up to $2,500, the ability to spend up to your spend limit on 60 plus online merchants approved by Ava, like your Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, or Ava Store. It can help improve your credit card utilization, which is a big part of your credit score. You can find the full list of Ava approved online merchants here at www.meetava.com/merchants. Now, this line can even help people with really high utilization to help bring it down. But just keep in mind, if you're over that 700 credit score, you don't want to use this strategy, because what happens is age of credit gets really important once you get over that 700 credit score. And this being a new account, this can bring your score down. Unlike how I mentioned with the rental karma account, it is adding on age of credit. This is starting off new. But if you're a person under that 700 credit score, this can help you immensely increase your credit score. And you can see an increase of 58 points in that first 30 days. And the 4th step, what you would want to do is see if you can be added on as an authorized user. Being added on as an authorized user, piggybacking on somebody else's account can help increase your credit score. And that alone, you can see over 100 points, especially if that account is over 10 years old with that age of credit and positive payment history. And with an extra bonus, you can improve your utilization if that line of credit is under that 30% mark. So that can help you add on age of credit, on time payment history, and help your utilization. And this will not affect the person that you're piggybacking on credit score, and they will not have to give you control over the account. So they don't have to worry. They can keep the card. Just make sure you tell them to activate it once they get it. Tell them to call it in and turn it on so it starts reporting. And also, you can use their address or your address and give them your social security number, because that's important for them to give that to the credit card company so it can report. Now, doing these 4 steps, you can see your credit score increase quickly over 150 points by taking these steps. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.